வணக்கம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். மேக்ஸ் இஸ் நாட் டிஃபிகல்ட். கணிதம் கடினம் அல்ல. முயற்சி, பயிற்சி, தேர்ச்சி நிச்சயம். ரெகுலர் ப்ராக்டிஸ், பீரியாடிக்கல் டெஸ்ட், then self-evaluation. This is the way to reach 200 out of 200 in the public examination. Already we discussed chapter number 5. So, in my point of view, that is very important chapter for 10 mark point of view. Only the 4 exercise number 5.1, 5.2, 5.10 and 5.11, some of the problems from 5.6 and 5.9. If you go through all the problems, definitely you will get 2 10 mark questions in the public examination. But you will expect a compulsory question from chapter number 5. The next, differential calculus application 2. In this chapter, the total number of marks allotted for this chapter: 1 mark question 2, 6 mark question 1, 10 mark question 1. The total number of marks is 18. In my point of view, the easiest chapter in second volume, that is chapter number 6, differential calculus application 2. Especially 10 mark point of view, only few problems there, only 10 or 9 problems. If you know that problems, definitely you will get 1 10 mark question in the public examination. 6 mark also very easy in this chapter. So, we can attend 1 10 mark, 1 6 mark from this chapter. So, the first one is differentials. If you want to find out the differentials, the step number 1, given equation y is equal to f of x. The next step, you have to find out the differentiation with respect to x. Dy by dx equal to f dash of x. Differential of y is dy equal to f dash of x into dx. F dash of x into dx. The absolute error of x is, then we think about the errors. The வகையீடுகள் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா dy equal to f dash of x into dx. அதுக்கு அடுத்து தான் நம்ம பார்க்க போறது என்னன்னா errors, பிழைகள். In errors, there are 3 types of errors: absolute error, relative error, percentage error. தனிப்பிழை, சார் பிழை, சதவீத பிழை. தனிப்பிழைனா absolute error of x is delta x. What is the change in x? For example, if you measure any length 2.6 to 2.61, it increases 2.6 to 2.61 means error in x is 0.01. 2.61 minus 2.6, that is 0.01, that is called delta x, that is called absolute error. Then relative error means absolute error divided by original length, delta x by x, that is சார் பிழை. அடுத்தது சதவீத பிழை. சதவீத பிழைனா சார் பிழையை 100ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணுங்க. Percentage error nothing but a relative error into 100. Relative error 100ஆல மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணீங்கன்னா you will get percentage error. The next important topic is approximation. Whenever you think about the approximation, we have to follow the 4 steps. Step number 1, given y equal to f of x. Step number 2, already we studied differential, that is dx. Dx equal to delta x, that is absolute error. You know how to calculate absolute error. Then differential. Differential is calculated with the help of the formula dy equal to f dash of x into dx. Dy equal to f dash of x into dx. Then last one, you have to find out the approximation. The formula to find the approximation f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus dy. So, first differentials. Second one is errors. How many types of errors? 3 types of errors. First one, absolute error அல்லது தனிப்பிழை. Second one, relative error சார் பிழை. Third one, percentage error சதவீத பிழை. The last one is approximation. If you want to find out the approximation value, you have to follow the 4 steps. தோராய மதிப்பை கண்டுபிடிக்கணும்னா இந்த 4 படிகளை மட்டும் பார்த்தா போதுமானது. What is the first step? Given y equal to f of x. Second one, you have to find out the absolute error of x. Then find differential. Then f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus dy. First question number 1 in exercise number 6.1. Most probably the question number 1 and 2 they will not ask from 6 mark question, maybe 3 mark question or 1 mark questions. First one, find the differentials of the function given y is equal to x power 5. So, differential means you have to find out dy. We know that dy equal to f dash of x into dx, f dash of x into dx. Now, f of x is equal to x power 5. What we have to calculate? F dash of x. Just differentiate. You know how to differentiate? That is 5x power 4. 5x power 4. Now, dy equal to 5x power 4 into dx. That is all. Is it clear? The second subdivision, y equal to 4th root of x. 4th root of x. That means, once again same formula, dy equal to f dash of x into dx. Here f of x is equal to x power 1 by 4. X power 1 by 4. Now, dy f dash of x. According to the power law, what is the differentiation of x power n? N x power n minus 1. The same formula 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1. What is 1 by 4 minus 1? Minus 3 by 4. 1 by 4 x power minus 3 by 4. Now, dy equal to 1 by 4 of x power minus 3 by 4 is x power plus 3 by 4 into dx. Into dx. Any doubts? The next question, y is equal to root of x power 4 plus x square plus 1. So, f of x is equal to x power 4 plus x square plus 1 square root f dash of x. Already I given the formula square root of root x. What is the differentiation formula for root x? Root x differentiation is 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x. Therefore, 1 by 2 root of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 then differentiation within the square root. This is called function of function rule. So, 4x cube plus 2x, once again the same power law, x power n. Now, the formula is dy equal to f dash of x into dx. F dash of x is equal to 4x cube plus 2x by 2 root of x power 4 plus x square plus 1 into dx. In numerator and denominator 2 is common, that is why we can cancel 2. Therefore, dy equal to 2x cube plus x into dx divided by root of x power 4 plus x square plus 1. Same way, you can solve the remaining problems in this question number 1. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க. Given y equal to x power 5, to find dy using the formula f dash of x into dx, f of x is equal to x power 5, f dash of x 5x power 4, because this is in the form of x power n. X power n nothing but n x power n minus 1. 5x power 5 minus 1 is 4. dy equal to 5x power 4 into dx. This is the answer. In this problem, 4th root of x. 4th root of x nothing but x power 1 by 4. F dash of x 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1, that is minus 3 by 4. So, dy f dash of x. So, x power minus n can be written as 1 by x power n, 1 by x power 3 by 4 dx. The same way this problem. I think question number 1, I think that, but you will not expect this question from 6 mark, they will ask from 1 mark. Next, question number 2, the same procedure, but here the value of dx and x given. Previous problem only you have to find out dy, that is all. Here the same procedure, finally you have to substitute the value for x is equal to some value and dx. Find the differentials dy and evaluate dy for the given values of x and delta x. Question number 1, y is equal to 1 minus x square. The value of x is 5, dx is 1 by 2. X is equal to 5, dx is equal to 1 by 2. What is the first step? The same method, that is f of x 1 minus x square, f dash of x, that is minus 2x, differentiation of 1 is 0, minus x square is minus 2x. Then dy formula f dash of x into dx, that is minus 2x into dx, dx value is 1 by 2, sorry, dx. Next, we can substitute minus 2, x value is 5, dx is 1 by 2, 2 to cancel, answer is minus 5. Listen, y equal to 1 minus x square, the x value and the dx value is given. We have to find out the differential. So, f of x, f dash of x, write the formula, f dash of x value and dx, substitute and simplify. So, question number 3, subdivision number, question number 2, subdivision number 3. Y is equal to x square plus 5 whole cube. Y is equal to x square plus 5 whole cube then x is equal to 1, dx equal to 0.05. Here f of x, that is x square plus 5 whole cube, f dash of x 3 into x square plus 5 whole square, then differentiation of x square is 2x. Power law, 3x square plus 5 whole square, differentiation of x square is 2x. dy equal to f dash of x into dx, same formula. 6x into x square plus 5 whole square into dx. But we know that the value of x and dx, 6 into 1, that is 1 square plus 5 whole square into 0.05. 6, 5 plus 1 is 6, 6 into square, that is 6 square into 0.05. 6 square is 36, 36 into 6, 216 into 0.05. 216 into 0.05. When we multiply and simplify, we will get 10.8. The same way do the remaining problems. So, I will solve one more problem here. Y is equal to cos x. What are the values of x given? X is equal to pi by 6, dx equal to 0.05. 0.05. Now, what is f of x? F of x is equal to cos x, f dash of x minus sin x, then dy equal to f dash of x into dx minus sin x into dx, that equal to minus sin pi by 6 into dx is 0.05. Sin pi by 6 value is minus 1 by 2 into 0.05, that equal to minus 0.025. So, dy is approximately equal to 0.025. Is it clear? So, what is the difference between the previous problem and this problem? So, previous problem we have to stop up to this. Here the value of x and dx given, that is why we can substitute and simplify. The same method, some of the examples given in the book. So, example number 6.1 and 6.2. So, 6.2 is somewhat different. I will do it to 6.2 first. Just I will give the idea. So, example 6.2, compute the values of delta y and dy if y equal to f of x, y is equal to f of x, x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1. F of x is equal to x cube plus x square minus 2x plus 1. What they ask? Compute delta y and dy from 2 to 2.05, from 2 to 2.01. There are two questions. One is 2 to 2.05. Here 2 to 2.05 I will do it. I will try 2 to 2.01. So, here there are two different values they ask. One is delta y, another one is dy. delta y means change in y. So, that is why we have to calculate f of 2.05 delta y equal to f of 2.05 minus f of 2. Already you studied in 11th standard delta y equal to f of x plus delta x minus f of x. F of 2 means 2 cube plus 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 1. Simplify, you will get 9. Then 2.05 cube plus 2.05 square minus 2 into 2.05 plus 1. If we simplify this, you will get 9.717625. 9.717625. Now, delta y, that is f of 2.05, value is 9.717625 minus 9, that is 0.717625. This is change in y. Another question they ask, differential of y. dy, already we know the formula f dash of x into dx. What is f dash of x? Differentiate dy equal to 3x square plus 2x minus 2 into dx. But we know that the value of x is 2, value of dx are approximately equal to delta x. The difference between these two, this minus this, 0.05. Now, substitute dy equal to 3 into 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 2 into 0.05. 4 plus 4 minus 2 into 0.05, that is 14 into 0.05. You know how to multiply. If you multiply, you will get the result. So, 14 into 5, that is 0.7. So, carefully, x changes from 2 to 2.05, they ask two different types of questions. One is delta y, another one is dy. Delta y nothing but f of x plus delta x minus f of x. F of 2.05 minus f of 2, 9.717625 minus 9, simplify, I will get the result. Same way, that is dy. The dy already we did, that is why the same method you have to follow. The next problem is very, very, very important for examination of point of view. So, one problem is 10 mark question here, the remaining is 6 mark questions. Sum number 3, I will do some of the problems, remaining will try. The first one, use the differentials to find the approximate value of the given number. Root of 36.1, root of 36.1. Already we know that y equal to f of x equal to root x, root x. Here x plus delta x is equal to 36.1, nearer square root value is 36, therefore, x is equal to 36, delta x is equal to 0.1. The first part of the problem is over. Dx is approximately equal to delta x equal to 0.1. After calculating dx, we have to find out dy. What is the formula to find dy? Dy equal to f dash of x into dx. What is f dash of x? square root of x. Differentiation of square root of x is equal to 1 by 2 root x dx. 1 by 2 root x value, what is x? 36, dx is 0.1. That is 1 by 2 into 6, 0.1. That is 0.1 divided by 12. That is, if we divide, we will get 0.0083. Divide panni parunga, you will get this value. But this is the value of dy. But what we have to find out? We have to find out root of 36.1. This is nothing but f of 36 plus 0.1. 36.1 can be written as 36 plus 0.1. So, f of 36 plus dy, already I given the formula f of x plus delta x equal to f of x plus dy. We know dy, we have to find out f of 36. F of 36 equal to root 36. What is the value? 6. Now, root of 36.1 is equal to f of 36 is 6 plus 0.0083 is approximately equal to 6.008. Listen, boys. A root of 36.1, y equal to f of x, that is root x. X plus delta x equal to 36.1. So, x is equal to 36, dx equal to delta x equal to 0.1. The formula to find dy, f dash of x into dx, that is dy equal to square root of x, differentiation is 1 by 2 root x into dx. What is the value of x? 36. 2 into root 36, that is 6, 0.1, 0.1 by 12, 0.0083. Now, the formula root of 36.1 is equal to f of 36 plus 0.1, f of 36 plus dy, f of 36 value calculated, just substitute and simplify. The same way, the next problem is given 1 by 10.1. You have to find out 1 by 10.1. The value given in the denominator, that is why we can write y equal to f of x is 1 by x. X plus delta x equal to 10.1. 10.1. Now, what is x? Nearest whole number is 10. What is dx? Delta x 0.1. Here we have to change. The remaining, the basic concept, there is no change. Dy, differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square into dx. This dx. Differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x is 10 square into dx is 0.1. Minus 0.1 divided by 100, that is minus 0.001. 0.001. When we divide, we will get this result. 0.1 is 0.001. But what we have to find out? We have to find out 1 by 10.1. That is f of 10 plus 0.1. That is f of 10 plus dy. What is f of 10? Now, we have to calculate. F of 10 is 1 by 10, that is 0.1. 1 by 10.1 is equal to 0.1 plus dy. What is plus dy? Minus 0.001. When we subtract this, we will get 0.099. 0.99. The procedure is same. 1 by 10.1, that is 1 by x. X plus delta x is 10.1, therefore, x is equal to 10 delta x or approximately equal to dx 0.1. What is the formula to find dy? dy கண்டுபிடித்துக்கான சூத்திரம் உங்களுக்கு தெரியும். dy equal to f dash of x into dx. F dash of x differentiation is minus 1 by x square, because differentiation of 1 by x is minus 1 by x square. After that, ordinary substitution and simplification. Then we have to find out 1 by f of 10, 1 by 10.1, that is f of 10 plus 0.1, f of 10 plus dy, simplify. The same way, solve sum number 3. Sum number 3 is a 10 mark question. In this exercise, only one 10 mark given in the book, exercise number 6.1, that is question number 3, subdivision number 3. Y equal to cube root of 1.02, we have to find out fourth root of 1.02. First, I have to consider cube root of 1.02. For that, you have to find out the value. Cube root of 1.02. What is the first step? What is the first step? Y is equal to f of x. Then x power 1 by 3. X plus delta x is equal to 1.02. X is equal to 1. Dx is approximately equal to delta x equal to 0.02. What next? We have to calculate dy. What is the formula? F dash of x into dx. According to the power law, 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1. 1 by 3 minus 1 is minus 2 by 3 dx. Now substitute dy equal to 1 by 3. The value of x is 1 power any number 1. Dx value is 0.02. That is 0.02 divided by 6. Dy is approximately equal to 0.020. How many times? 6 times 0, 6, 6. Now we have to find out cube root of 1.02. What is cube root of 1.02? F of 1 plus 0.02. That is f of 1 plus dy. F of 1, x 1 power any number 1. Therefore, f of 1 is 1. Cube root of 1.02, 1 plus 0.0066, that equal to 1.0066. Next, you have to find out the second part of the problem. Y is equal to cube root of 1.02. Instead of cube root, fourth root. Here only we have to change. Y equal to f of x, x power 1 by 4. X and delta x, there is no change because here also 1.02. Then dy. F dash of x dx, same formula, 1 by 4 x power 1 by 4 minus 1 into dx. That is 1 by 4 x power minus 3 by 4 into dx. Now, substitute the value dy equal to x is 1, 1 power any number is 1, that is why leave it. 1 by 4 dx value is 0.02. So, dy is equal to 0.02 divided by 4, that is 0.005. Once again the same formula. So, directly we can write q fourth root of 1.02 equal to f of 1 plus dy. F of 1 is 1, that is 0.005, that is 1.005. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate cube root of 1.02 plus fourth root of 1.02. Nothing but the value of cube root of 1.02 is 1.0066 plus 1.005. When we add these two, we will get 2.0116. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க. It is a 10 mark question. In this exercise only one 10 mark. Cube root of 1.02 plus fourth root of 1.02. Cube root of 1.02, that is y equal to f of x, x power 1 by 3. X plus delta x equal to 1.02, x is equal to 1. Dx equal to delta x approximately 0.02. Then dy f dash of x dx 1 by 3 x power 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 dx, just substitute and simplify. Same way fourth root. Calculate பண்றீங்க, then add these two, will get the results. Clear? This is the first part of the problem. This is the second part of the problem. Then we have to add these two, we get the conclusion part. Is it clear? Now the last problem in the exercise. The edge of a cube was found to be 30 centimeter. The edge of cube is 30 centimeter. Possible error in measurements is 0.1 centimeter. Use differentials to estimate the maximum possible error computing the volume of cube, the surface area of cube. The edge of a cube, let A be the edge of cube. Edge of cube. What are the data given? A is equal to 30 centimeter. Then possible error in measurement, that is dA delta A approximately equal to dA, that is 0.1. What we have to find out? The maximum error means absolute error in volume. So first we have to find out volume of cube. What is the formula to find volume of cube? V is equal to A cube. Then differential dV equal to 3A square into dA. So y is equal to f of x, dy equal to f dash of x into dx. Same method. V is equal to dV is equal to f dash of A into dA. Using that formula, we will get this result. 3, A is 30 square, dA is 0.1, that is 3 into 30 square is 900 into 0.1, 3 into 900, 2700 into 0.1 is 270. The second part of the problem, surface area of cube. What is surface area of cube? S is equal to, cube has how many sides? 1, top, bottom, side 4 walls, 6. All the length, breadth, height are same. That is why 6A square. Once again ds. 12A, differentiation of A is dA. Now substitute 12 into A is 30 into 0.1, 3 12s are 36, 360 into 0.1, that is 36 centimeter square, this is centimeter cube. Is it clear? Edge of cube is given, dA, V equal to A cube, dV equal to F dash of A into dA. Find dV, differentiate 3A square dA. Here 6A square means 12A dA. The last problem, the radius of circular disc given as 24 centimeter. R be the radius of circular disc. Circular disc. This is question number 4. This is question number 5. Now, R is equal to 24 centimeter. Error in R, that is dr, del r, that is approximately equal to dr, 0.02. What they asked? Use the differential to estimate the maximum error in the calculated area of the circular disc. Maximum error means you have to find out the absolute error. பரப்பை கணக்கெடுக்கும் போது ஏற்படும் அதிகமான பிழை, மீப்பெரு பிழை. Area of circular disc A equal to, we know the formula, pi r square. Then differentiate dA equal to pi. R square differentiation is 2r into dr. We know that r and dr, 2 pi, r value is 24, dr value is 1 by 0. Dr is 0.02. 2 24s are 48, 48 into 2, 96, that is 0.965. 0.965. The second part, compute the relative error. Relative error, already we discussed. Relative error in area, that is delta A by A. Delta A by A. What is delta A? That is dA. Delta A is approximately equal to dA by A. What is dA? 2 pi r into dr. A pi r square, 1 pi cancel, 1 r cancel, 2 by r into dr. 2 r value is 24, dr value is 0.02. That is 0.04 divided by 24. Simplify, you will get the results. That is 0.0017. You divide, you will get that value 0.0017. Listen, radius of circular disc, R be the radius of circular disc. Radius is given. dr, change in the radius, also given in the problem. We have to find out the maximum error in area. A equal to pi r square, that is pi into 2r dr, that is 2 pi into 24, 0.02, 0.965. Relative error means delta A by A, that is dA by A, dA value and A value substitute and simplify, will get this result. Here one more important example sum given in the book. Example number 6.5. The time swing T of pendulum is given by T equal to K root L. 6.5. Given equation T equal to K root L. Determine the percentage error in the time of swing if the length of the pendulum is L changes from 32.1 centimeter to 32.0 centimeter. L changes from 32.1 to 32.0. That means L is equal to original length 32.1, change in length dl, that is approximately del L minus 0.1. From 32.1 to 32.0 it is decrease. This minus stands for decrease. We have to find out the percentage error. If you want to find out percentage error, the easiest method, taking log on both sides, then differentiate. T is equal to k L power half. Log T is equal to log of k L power half. Log T is equal to log k in multiplication plus log of L power half. So, log T is equal to log k plus half log L. Now, differentiate 1 by T, differentiation of T is dt, 1 by 2 log L is 1 by L dl. Here log k is constant, differentiation is 0. We have to find out percentage error, that is dt by T into 100, that is 1 by 2L into dl into 100. We know that dl value, what is dl? Minus 0.1, 2L is 32.1 into 100, that equal to minus 10 divided by 64.2. When we divide this, we will get minus 0.156 percentage, because multiply by 100 means it is understood that is percentage error. Therefore, percentage error of T is decreasing at the rate. This minus stands for decreases. 0.156 percentage. மறுபடியும் கவனிங்க, இதான் சம் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, L ஓட வேல்யூ கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, L equal to 32.1, dl value this minus 0.1. Only relative error or only percentage error, the easiest method, taking log on both sides, differentiate. That is the easiest method. K root L means L power half, log on both sides, log multiplication the plus ஆகும், then log T equal to log K plus half log L. Differentiate log K constant 0, 1 by 2, 1 by L dl, multiply by 100, you get this result. Minus dl value 0.1, 2 into 32.1 into 100 minus 10, multiply 64.2, divide, you will get minus 0.156 percentage. Finally, you will write the conclusion, the percentage error is decreasing at the rate 0.156 percentage. So, I think we complete exercise number 6.1, all the problems including examples. Solve the remaining problems involved, definitely you will get 1 6 mark or 10 mark they will ask from this exercise, approximation, and 1 10 mark also from the approximation. This question repeatedly they will ask from the 6 mark question. So, please go through it. Same method you can solve example number 6.6. The remaining parts we will discuss in the next class.